Programming languages are the backbone of modern technology, playing a crucial role in various industries. Popular programming languages like Python, Java, and C++ serve different purposes in software development. The names and origins of programming languages often reflect their creators' inspirations. Different fields utilize specific programming languages tailored to their unique requirements. Each programming language has its strengths and weaknesses, influencing developers' choices. Examples of code in languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript demonstrate their distinct syntax. Professionals share insights on their preferred languages based on efficiency and project needs. Future trends point towards AI integration and quantum computing shaping new programming languages. Beginners should consider factors like job market demand and personal interests when selecting a language to learn. In conclusion, programming languages continue to evolve, reflecting the diversity and innovation in the tech industry.